Hello guys, how to fix color management not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, simply right click on a start button and choose settings. Here install Windows latest update. If check for updates option is available, click on check for updates and install Windows latest update. The next workaround is again go to right click on start button, choose device manager. Here go to display adapter section, expand it and right click on your display adapter and uninstall device. Finally choose option uninstall and thereafter restart your Windows 11-10 system. Now Windows will automatically find out your display adapter and install them accordingly. The next workaround is go to Windows settings. Under system settings, click on display, scroll down and choose the option advanced display, and here choose the option display adapter properties for display 1. Click on it. In next window choose color management, thereafter again choose color management, and here under device choose your device. Here already selected. From the drop down menu we should select and make the check against option use my settings to for this device and click on add. Here advanced color profile under click on browse button, and since color profile you should download, go to your browser and type Dell. You can choose your system as per your system. Dell color profile, download, open it, choose the option displayed under browsing, click on it, Dell color management software and Dell color management software. Here go to the find out option download and click on download. It will downloaded and rather installed in your saved folder. Again go to that page, color management page, and click on browse and choose the option from here and click on add. Finally click on OK. That's all. It will definitely resolve your issue.